Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how the data validation works and what does it mean. Let's see. By default, cell accepts any values, whether it is text or numeric value. Like if I want to type any text value in this, hi, how are you? It is easily accepting it. And if I enter numeric value in this, it is also accepting this. And if I enter date value in this is easily acceptable by the cells because by default it has not imposed a single validation on these cells. Okay, so sometimes what happens, I want to enter only a particular data in my cells. So this is what we call data validation. When we restrict someone to enter the data of a particular type in our column, so this is called restriction. You may have seen in some websites where we need to give password, and when we set it, suppose we enter some text here like bingo, and when you enter it, it may have shown you a simple message like your password is too weak. That means as you have entered only text values, so they have imposed a validation on it because you have entered only text values. You haven't mixed your password with numeric values and some special characters. That's why the error message has shown to you. So this was nothing but the validation. Yes, the website has imposed a validation on password button. Whenever you enter text values in it, you may see that message, that error message. Okay, so this is called data validation, and we can apply data validation in our files too, and we can restrict someone to type other data or error values to our files too. Yes, let's see how we can do that. For this, I want to insert some data of an electronic store where I'm having product name, product code, and product list and sale date. So this is a table where I want to put some data, and I want someone to type only text values in this. Let's see. First, I want to restrict my data to be entered only the text value, and which should be of only 1 to 5 length only. I just want to enter the text length should be only of 5 characters. So go to data type first and then go to data validation. You'll be able to see a dialog box here, and you may select any of the value. Right now I want that this column should take only text value and the length should be in between 1 to 5 characters. So I'm just simply giving this value. I'm just setting this validation criteria to my column. You may select any of the option whichever you want, like between, not between, equal to, whatever. Okay, so this validation I have set in this column. So if I enter LCD, it is taking it perfectly, and if I type mobile, then see what I have got. I have got an error message because I have set the text value should be entered with the maximum length of 5 characters, and it is of 6 characters, so it has given me the error message. Let's retry it, and I type it O1. So see, this is the way you can put a validation. Okay, the text validation. Now coming to the next point, where you can put the numeric validation too. That means, suppose if I want to enter only numeric values, that means only the whole number values to this column, so how can I do that? You'll have to repeat the same method. You need to go to data tab and go to data validation and select the validation criteria. I want only whole number to be entered in this column, and that should be in between 101 to 105. No other value I want in this column, so that my data and data that has been entered should be accurate. So press OK. So see, If I enter 110, I've got the error message. The value you entered is not valid. A user has restricted values that can be entered into this cell. So retry it. So I will make it write it. Now 102 is okay. Now 106. See, I've got the same error message again because I have restricted this cell to enter the values greater than 105. So now I am giving it 102, 101. Okay, so in this way I can put numeric validation 2. Suppose I want to enter a list of the items, only those items that I want to sell in my store. So I just want someone to type only that list from my catalog. So how can I do that? First select this, select the range, okay, then go to data validation. Now you will see the list option. That means you want to type or to insert few items in this, and that should be in between, like LCD, oven, mobile. Only these items I want to sell in my store, and I want others to enter only these values, not other values like fridge or washing machine, not that items. So just apply this and you will see you will get a drop down list icon with this column. Whenever you enter it or click it, you will get options like LCD, oven or mobile, and you can select it. Okay, when you traverse to next cell, you will get the same option. When you click it, you will get the option. Okay, this is other website, the same validation you have seen in other websites too, where you want to purchase some items and you will get the list of the items, only those items only that has been sold by that website. So this is the validation you can apply as per your choice. Okay, and other thing what you can do is, suppose you are having a very long list, and like in this case I'm having suppose 20 or 30 items. I'm just taking here only 5 or 6 items. So what you can do, will you type all the items in that case? No. So how can I do that? Just select this column and go to data validation, click on data validation and list, and just give the source in this case. And I want that my source would be like these 20 or 100 items. I am taking here only 6 or 7 rows. You can take any number of n number of records. You don't need to type all the records by putting comma in the data validation tab. You just give it the source and OK. So every time when you click on it, you will see so many options that has been provided here. Okay, so what you can do is, you can keep this list anywhere in other sheet and you can hide it or protect it so that no one can touch it or disturbs the data. So this is the way you can impose drop down list validation to your. So see how can we impose the date validation on this column. Go to data validation and go to date, and I want this date equals to only this date. Okay, I need to give you need to separate the numeric values with slash. So if I enter any other value like this, it is not going to accept it because the date is not valid. And what validation I have given, you need to type the exact date only. So this was the validation that you can apply in your file. So that's all for today's video. I hope it will help you. Thank you for watching.